Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, let's check. Check lang natin yung emotion ni person mo sa'yo ngayong week. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yeah, don't forget our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Pasensya na sa aking boses, medyo hindi ko alam, parang iba. Okay, so yeah, check natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So kung may tanong pagdating sa mga ang tawag ito, items natin. So, meron tayong Evil Eye Protection, no? Meron tayong Love Bracelet, Granter Necklace, tiga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay, tiga-bigay ng surprises sa'yo. And, ating cord cut. So, nandito sila lahat. So, nandyan lamang. Yes, available. Si Granter po is made to order. Okay, so, let's start. Aries, okay. So, Aries placements. Let's see, sino ba itong taong to na nasa isip mo para ma-check natin yung emosyon niya. Okay, Aries. Aries. The Ace of Cups. Some of you, this is a new love interest, no? Pwedeng new love interest. What's with this Ace of Cups? The Four of Cups in reversed. Itong taong to may pagkamatahimik, ha. Hindi pa siya nakakapag-express ng feelings or whatsoever pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, or maybe ikaw itong gusto mo siya, itong taong to gusto mo pero hindi pa siya nakakapagsabi or hindi mo makita yung totoong emosyon. So let's see kung ano ba yung totoong feelings nyo for you. Okay. Some of you, ikaw ang nagbigay in general, no, pagdating sa kanya, pero andun yung meron siyang sinayang. Anyway, tingnan muna natin yung isa. If this is your new love interest, ano bang totoo niyang emotion for you, Aries? The King of Cups. Oh, meron. Yeah. By the King of Cups, some of them, they're too shy. Talagang tinatago nila, no, yung kanilang feelings for you. King of Cups. Five of Wands. Some of them takot sa drama. Yan. Takot ma-reject. Yeah, the Justice is here in reverse. Kung ikaw itong naka-resonate naman dun sa isa, yung parang sinayang lang lahat, no? Sabihin natin iba sa kanila is masyadong sila yung may problem. Okay, yeah, they love you. Yes, andun yung love. Pero parang hindi nila ma-prioritize yung love for you. Okay, mas inuuna nila kung ano-ano. Something like that. Kaya hindi sila marunong maging balance or fair pagdating sa'yo. Pero nandun yung love nila. Hindi nga lang nakafocus sa'yo. Yeah. And the Nine of Pentacles. Some of you, there's this codependency or sabihin nating nasanay na lang kayo sa ganun. Kaya, okay, sige, parang si Aries ay okay lang sa kanya na ganito. Pero sana daman niya yung love ko. Yan, parang ganun. Anyway, so next. Pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. Okay, so kinakaya ko lang. Oo, wala akong boses kaninang umaga. Okay, tingnan natin. Taurus. Let's see. Your person's emotion this week. Taurus. Person's emotion this week. Okay, who is this? The Tower. Pwedeng Scorpio. The Fool. Pwedeng Aries. In reversed. The Star is here. Some of you, there's this separation na nangyari. and wala ka pang nakukuhang something, action, message, whatsoever from them. Okay, nandoon yung energy like no contact or silence. Yeah, the Hermit, silence, no contact. So hindi mo na nakikita itong taong to, may chance na hindi na kayo nakakuha ng kahit anong idea from them. So ano bang emosyon niya for you? What's their emotion currently? Current emotion ng taong to sa'yo, Taurus? Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, they're not doing anything. Some of them naboboard sila sa ganito. Maybe meron silang gustong gawin, gustong sabihin, pero hindi sinesend. Something like that. Okay? Iba sa inyo, Taurus, may energy rito na pwedeng chinachat nyo to. Or nagre-reach out kayo pero hindi kayo nakakakuha ng reply from them. No? Parang, iba sa inyo. Let's see, what's with this Knight of Pentacles? Ayaw nito na bumalik muli. Andun yung pagpaplano pagdating dyan sa situation pero wala pa sa ngayon. Yeah, the Empress. Oh. Ramdam na ramdam ng taong to yung importansyang ibinibigay mo sa kanya. Yeah, the Hierophant. Lumalaki ulo nito, Taurus. Pinapalaki mo ego at pride nito. Okay? May pagmamatigas. May chance na yung ginagawa mo kung ikaw ay nagre-reach out. Ikaw yung parang nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi siya totally talagang nagpaparamdam kung meron ng separation dito. Some of you, nandoon yung kung kayo ay magka-connect ngayon, nandyan yung energy about pagkamatigas ng ulo niya kasi pinoprovide mo lahat or binibigay mo lahat. Para siyang na-spoiled. Yeah. Alam niya na kahit ano gagawin mo for them. Okay. So, 3 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, walang label. Pwedeng na for friend zone if ever. Ikaw, Taurus, kung ito ay wala pa naman kayong like connection pero naibibigay mo lahat agad-agad, like alam niya yung emosyon mo, yari ka. Yeah, talagang pinapalaki mo lang ang ego at pride nitong taong to kahit ano pang gender niyan. Okay, so yeah, pasensya na sa boses ko ha. So yeah, next, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placements. Let's see your person's emotion this week. Tingnan natin. Emotion niya pagdating sa'yo. Kunin muna natin yung energy ng person. Energy. Anong meron sa kanya? The 4 of Swords in reversed. And the 8 of Pentacles in reversed. They're trying to forget you. Or maybe ikaw. Forget mo na yung person. Nawawala na yung focus mo dito sa taong to actually. And the King of Swords. Some of you talagang inaalisan mo na. Naiinis ka na dito eh. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may galit ka dito. Mas maganda na hindi na kayo nagkakausap. Parang ganun yung energy. Some of them, yeah, nandiyan yung pagsasabi ng mga salita na gusto mo talagang maririnig sa kanya, pero wala akong nakukuha ditong pwedeng meron silang mga ginawa, like 100% ginawa nila. The King of Swords is in the reverse. Some of them, they're a liar, a narcissistic, a controller, a manipulator. Okay? Yan, the Seven of Swords. Wala nang ginawa tong taong to kundi sabihin nating baliin lahat ng sinasabi niya pagdating sa'yo. Like pangako niya, hindi naman niya tutuparin. Mga ganong bagay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, their emotion for you. O, di ba wala ang boses? The Four of Pentacles. Hold back. Very held back. Holding back their emotions. Why? The Ten of Cups inversed. Itong taong to, yeah, may pagka-manipulator, no? They're trying to hold back their emotion para makontrol ka nila. Some of them, they're unhappy. Individual. Sila yung may problem dito, kaya sila ganito. Okay? Alam ng taong to kung paano i-manipula yung mga gusto nilang makakonect. Kung ikaw ay kakonect niya, hindi yan maglalabas ng totoong emosyon. Itatry talaga niyang itago para ikaw yung magkaroon ng question mark pagdating dito sa situation. Okay? The Ace of Wands. This is like an opportunity. Okay, I'll grab it. Parang ganun eh. So, kung ikaw, tingnan natin ang ginagawa mo, Gemini. Kasi nag-hold back siya. How do they see you? Ano emotion mo for them, Gemini? Yeah, the Ten of Wands. So, ginagawa mo lahat. Ginagawa mo lahat. Shoulder mo lahat. Well, hindi naman malayo talaga na ganito yun. Oo, the Knight of Swords in reverse, hindi sila consistent. Some of them, they're throwing you mixed signals or maybe breadcrumb. Yeah. Some of them, this is their way para mag-stick ka or piliin mong mag-stick sa kanya kasi parang magka-crave siya ng something eh. Like, hindi mo pa ibinibigay lahat. Okay? Parang ganun. Or yeah, vice versa. Pwedeng hindi niya naibibigay lahat, so magka-crave ka. Ano pa kayang ibigay ni person? Yan, parang ganyan. No? So there. Be careful, Gemini. Next, Cancer. Let's see your person's emotion this week. Nakaantok ako, grabe. Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. North Node. Let's see. Who is this person you're thinking of? Okay, the Two of Swords. Are they trying to avoid you? Yeah. They're trying to avoid you or they're avoiding you. Two of Swords. The King of Pentacles in reverse. They're avoiding you. Or you should avoid this person. You should. Some of them, pwedeng may ginawa itong decision na hindi mo nagustuhan and feeling mo napaka-unfair ng taong to. Pwedeng air, pwedeng Capricorn. What's your emotion, Cancer? For you? Emotion. The Magician in reversed. What's with that? Nine of Wands. So, may tinatago rin doon taong to. Some of them talagang tinataguan ka, ina-avoid ka. Yeah, they're trying to stalk you. They're stalking you right now, Cancer. They're stalking you. Kung ito umalis, ini-stalk ka. Kung ikaw ang umalis, ini-stalk ka pa rin. Kung siya ang umalis, ini-stalk ka. Okay? Yeah. Meron dito nakakaramdam na parang may niloko. Nararamdaman ko na parang niloko ako. Parang ganun. Ganun yung nararamdaman. I don't know who's who yung nakakaramdam nun. Whether ikaw or siya. We have here angel number 999. May number dito. Literal, 999. Kita nyo? Ayun. Hindi mabigyan hostage ng ating camera dahil hindi naman ganun kaganda yung ating camera. No? Okay. So, they're manipulating you, but yeah, they're watching you. They're trying to avoid you. Why the Magician in reversed? Why the Magician in reversed? Kung ikaw ang nagbablock sa kanya or nag-a-avoid, some of them, they're trying to manifest a conversation with you. Yeah, they want to conversate. And the Knight of Pentacles, not doing anything. Yeah. Bigla na lang dito natigil. Biglang nagpreno. And then wala na. Kaya may nakakaramdam dito parang, ba't ganon? Bigla na lang nabago. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Some of you, you're still waiting from them na mag-reply whatsoever. Kung ano man yan. Some of you, yes, nandyan tayo sa waiting game. Sino ba yung unang mag-reach out? Sino yung unang magiging open? But yeah, I think meron ditong invested pa rin or talagang expecting pa rin something. Yeah. Somebody is using a dummy account to stalk. Kasi pwedeng yun nga may block dito. Pwedeng gumagamit ng dummy account. Ibang account na para may stalk ka or vice versa. Okay? So there. Next, Leo. Leo placements. Okay, let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Let's see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Leos. All signs, I mean. Okay. Your person's emotion right now. Sino ba itong taong to, Leo? Anong meron sa kanya? The Two of Cups Universe. So, may nangyaring pagdistansya or meron ditong gap. Yeah, the Sun Universe. Hindi na kayo nagkikita nito. I don't know if ikaw is tinalikuran mo na rin ito. Itong taong to, pwedeng water sign and Leo like you. Fellow Leo. Some of you, meron ditong tago. Tagong connection. Tingnan natin kung anong emosyon. Emosyon niya sa'yo, Leo. The Five of Swords in reversed. Six of Cups. They miss you. They miss you. The Three of Swords. Is there any chances na may third party involved? Kasi kung may third party involved, sabihin natin they're trying to avoid stress, trying to avoid drama. But yeah, they miss you. Yung meron ditong mga issue, gusto lang ma-fix yun. And gusto lang humaba or lumalim pa yung connection nyo. Meron ditong parang nafo-fall. I think this person, sabihin natin hindi, this is specific. Hindi mo pa ito nakaka-connect. But yeah, nandun yung energy about confusion. Okay, meron pa siyang hindi nasasabi or naipapahayag sa'yo. Andun yung nafo-fall siya. Andun yung nafo-fall. Is this a new person or ano? Old. Current. Let's see, anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba to? Past or new? Past or new person? Kung nakabaliktad, past. Kung naka-upright, bago. Okay. Past. Some of them, sabihin natin kakilala. Kakilala ng friend mo. There's this mute. Sabihin natin nasa circle lang kayo nitong taong to. Some of them may anak. Yeah, may anak. The Empress in reversed. Or pwedeng may nagkaroon ng miscarriage. That's so specific. So, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah, this person likes you. They want to see you. Okay? So, there. Next. Virgo. Virgo placements. Let's see your person's emotion. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ito? Virgo. Okay. The Emperor in reversed. May mga tinalikurang responsibilidad sa'yo. Itong taong to, some of them, they're too immature. Yeah. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. May mga tinalikuran na responsibilidad. Tumalikod sa'yo itong taong to. You have, sabihin nating parehong responsibilidad. Yung iba, pwedeng anak. Pwedeng asawa mo to. May anak kayo. Parang ganyan. Your emotion, Queen of Cups, napaka makasarili. Puro sarili lang iniintindi niya. If you're expecting something from this person this coming week, wala akong nakukuha na pwedeng gawin. Yeah, the Six of Wands. All about sarili lang nila. Wala silang iniisip kundi sarili lang. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse, self-centered. Kung ito kakonek mo, naku, kawawa. Kumusta ka, Virgo? Yeah, the Page of Swords. The Tower. Marami ka nang nakitang dahilan or rason para umalis dito sa connection na to. Pero I don't know kung bakit mo pinipili pa rin kung nandito ka pa rin talaga sa connection. May isang dahilan ka pa rin. Maybe yung anak o mga sabihin nating mga properties na nasa pangalan ninyo pareho, mga ganong bagay. Wala akong makuhang emotion coming from them. Yeah. Ang nakikita ko pa rito, ikaw pa yung parang gusto nitong pasunodin. Gawin kang puppet. Parang ganon. All about themselves. Napaka makasarili ng taong to. Wala itong pakialam sa mararamdaman mo or kung ano man. Okay. Gusto nila, sila yung susundin. Wala siyang pakialam. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Yung iba dito mabarkada. Specific po yun ha, hindi yun para sa lahat. Some of them mabarkada to. Okay. So, parang walang responsibilidad na naiiwan every time na nalabas sa bahay. Parang ganun. Naantok ako. Hindi ko malaman. Oo. So, Libra. Your person's emotion. Let's see. Yeah, this coming week. Okay. Diba? Okay, Libra. Sino itong taong to? Four of Swords in reverse. Akunin ko to. Death, King of Cups in reverse. Ito yung taong natigil yung conversation ninyo. I don't know. Something like hindi pa nagkakaroon ng andun yung energy ng sabihin nating talking stage. Nasa talking stage pa lang kayo ng taong to. Hindi pa siya nag-express ng emosyon. Tapos biglang nawala. Yeah. Biglang nawala. Okay. So, you're trying to find this person. You're looking for them. Maybe, pwede maging vice versa. Or reversed. Or, tawag dyan. Yeah. Baliktad, no? Flip yung message. Let's see. Hindi nagsabi ng feelings to. Tinago lang. Hindi dumating sa second level. Oo, nasa first level pa lang kayo ng taong to. It's like talking stage. No? Okay, parang ganun. Tingnan natin emosyon niya for you, Libra. The Nine of Swords in reversed. Really? Why? Bakit to biglang natapos? The Empress. Nawala yung nawala yung attraction. Bakit nawala? Okay, the Empress in reverse nga. The Six of Swords. Oh my. So, ito na, Libra. Kung bakit ito nawala. Ito yung dahilan talaga kung bakit nawala ito. Biglang, ang tawag dyan, naging missing in action, no? Sabihin nating nasobrahan ka. Oo, nasobrahan ka sa paggagawa ng kung ano man pagdating sa kanya. Ikaw itong nakakasakal. Wala pa man, you're like, sabihin nating nagde-demand na. Bakit nagde-demand? Kasi may binibigay ka na ng binibigay sa kanya, ganto ganyan, and then you're expecting something in return. This is specific. I don't know kung may makaka-resonate. Pero alam ko meron. Kung gano'n ang ginawa mo, nasa talking stage pa lang kayo and you're like, parang magjowa na kayo, parang jowa mo na siya kung ituring mo. Hello, nag-step back si person. Nag-step back po siya. Ay, ayoko ng ganito. Walang thrill. Yeah. Whether kung ano man ang gender nito or gender mo. Nawala yung thrill, Libra. You're too open. And yun ang nakuha niya. Nakita niya sa'yo, you're like, no thrill, no challenge. Ang masama pa dun, specific kung nakita, nagde-demand ka. Kasi, ginawa ko to ginawa ko naman to sa'yo binigay ko sa'yo yung ganito, ganto, ganyan. Hindi ko naman sinabing ibigay mo, Libra. Yun ang narinig ko. 'Di ba? Ikaw pa ang namali. Libra, hindi ko naman sinabing gawin mo yun. Parang ganyan. Tapos ngayon, magde-demand ka, tapos magagalit ka kapag hindi ko ginawa or sinunod. And then, kinabukasan, hindi na nag-chat or hindi na nag-reply yung person. Anyway, so yun na. Okay, so, yun yung dahilan kung bakit siya nawala. Na-overwhelmed. Okay, next. Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Their feelings, thoughts, emotions. So, tingnan natin. Sino ba ito? Scorpio. Ay, okay. The King of Swords in reverse. The Liar. Somebody na hindi mo talaga mapapagkatiwalaan, Scorpio, or hindi mo kayang pagkatiwalaan. Bakit? Anong meron sa King of Swords? In reverse. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Some of you, parang feeling mo sinayang lang ng taong to lahat ng emosyon na ibinigay mo sa kanya. Feeling mo lang yun. Ata. Siguro feeling mo lang yun. Anyway. So, ito yung taong sinayang lahat. Yung pagmamahal, sinayang lahat. Yung emosyon na ibinigay mo. Sinayang yung tiwala. Parang ganyan. In general, the liar. Oo, parang ganyan. May pagkasinungaling kasi yung person. Anyway. Emotion niya. Let's see. Deep, deep down for you. The Two of Wands. Unsure. Some of them, they have options. That's why. They have options. Here, the Four of Cups in reversed. At ang taong to, hindi siya talaga nagbibigay ng, sabihin nating, all in all. Okay? Andun yung hindi siya sure pagdating sa'yo. Hindi siya sure. This person, some of them, meron silang option. Some of them, they might be dealing with 2 people. 2 or more, maybe. Yeah, the hanged one. The hanged man. Yeah, the Knight of Cups, the Sun. Every time na hindi kayo magka-chat, merong iba. That is why. So, siguro, nakitaan mo to ng pag-cheat. The Four of Cups. Nandun yung panghihinayang ng tao kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng separation. Sa totoo lang. Okay? They're like waiting for you, looking for you online, searching for you online, still expecting something from you. Yeah. Nandun yung panghihinayang ng tao. Sa totoo lang. Alam niya yung may nagawa siyang mali. So, ngayon, nanghihinayang siya. Some of you may chance na meron na kayong iba rin or pwedeng kinukunikan sa ngayon. Yeah, pwedeng alam niyo yun, nakikita niyo yun sa online kung kayo ay hindi naman black na ganyan, no? Nakikita niyo yan. And yeah, nanghihinayang siya. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking nakikita for you. Ganun lamang kabilis. So, check lang naman natin. Chinek lang naman natin yung emosyon. Yeah. They need you. Next. Sagittarius. Sag. Hi! Oh, let's see your person's emotion for you this coming week. Sino ba to, Sag? Sino ba yan? Sino ba siya? The Nine of Wands inversed. They have trust issues. Some of them. That's specific. The Five of Wands inversed. Meron ditong, pwedeng itong taong to is nag-play safe. Because they can trust you. I don't know. They can't. Or maybe some of you, meron ditong third party involvement. May third party na issue dito. Kaya hindi siya ganun katiwala. Somebody is committed. Habang kayo ay merong connection. I don't know who. Pwedeng siya yung meron. And ikaw itong hindi mo kayang magtiwala sa kanya. And talagang nakikisabay ka na lang sa agos. No, nakikisabay ka na lang sa current. Kung anong meron sa flow. Seven of Pentacles inversed, yeah. Yung parang unsure ka, pero gusto mo kasi itong taong to, I think. Yeah. What is their emotion, Sag? What is their emotion pagdating sa'yo? The Eight of Swords inversed. Oops. Why the Eight of Swords inversed? Playing safe. Always parang may pagtatanggi ako nakukuha dito. No commitments. Yeah, may narinig ako no commitments at all. Kaya ganun. Alam mo naman na to. Oo, Sag. Alam mo na to. Lalo na kung nasa third party kayo. Itong taong to. Pwedeng siya yung may iba. Alam nitong taong to, nakikigo with the flow ka lang. And parang unsure ka rin pagdating sa kanya. Hindi mo kaya siyang pagkatiwalaan. Ramdam niya yun. Kaya ang sinasabi nito sa'yo, may chance na, oh, okay, wala muna tayong commitments. Ayoko ng ganito, ayoko ng ganyan. Some of them nakipaghiwalay to or pwedeng makipaghiwalay sa'yo. This is channeled. Pwedeng makipaghiwalay sa'yo to. Kasi, yeah, wala rin naman eh. Yeah, see, another 3. Hindi na kayo nagkakaintindihan nitong ayon. Yeah. Hindi na. There's this trust issue. Ang laki ng trust issue dito. Nagsusumigaw na. Hindi malabo na magkaroon ng separation dito. Anong outcome? Tingnan natin. The Eight of Wands. The King of Pentacles. So, nandyan yung communication. King of Wands is here. So, it's like, I don't know if this is talking about lust lang or talagang umikot lang yung connection nyo sa sex. This is like sex based. Sex based connection. No commitments at all. May chance na ganun. Pwedeng yun lang ang kaya niya i-provide dito sa connection nyo. That is why nandun yung hindi ka rin makaramdam ng seguridad, no? Assurance sa kanya. Yeah. Sakit sa ulo naman ito. Anyway, next, Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Let's see your person's emotion for you. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Cancer. What? Bakit Cancer? Anong meron? Baka iba sa inyo, Cancer yung inyong person. So, Capricorn. Anong meron? Sino itong taong to? Para ma-check natin yung emosyon niya. The Two of Swords reversed. Silipin nyo yung kay Cancer, Capricorn. Parang meron akong nakuha din ganitong Two of Swords. Silipin nyo. Four of Wands. May ka-connect. Yeah. Some of you, itong taong to, they find you na ikaw yung gusto nilang makasama forever. Ikaw yung gusto nilang makasama sa buong buhay niya. May nangyaring miss opportunity. So, there's this energy of separation, some of you. Or hindi siya ganun kasigurado sa situation kasi iba pwede ngang may option. The Two of Swords is here in reversed. Pero gusto ka ng taong to na ikaw na yung makasama niya habang buhay. Yeah, the Moon. Ang daming question mark. Ang daming tanong. May patutunguhan ba kami? Kami ba talaga ang magkakatuluyan sa huli? Whatsoever. What is their emotion right now? This is a strong connection, by the way. Let's see. Emotion niya for you. Two of Cups. Universe. And Five of Wands. Drama. Mahirap yung separation. Damang-dama ng taong to, yung pagkawala mo. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Ikaw talaga yung gusto makasama nito, Capricorn. Yeah, the Six of Swords, hindi sila nagmo-move on. Hindi nila alam kung anong ruta ang kanilang tatahakin, dadaanan, parang ganyan. Walang plano in general. Okay, nandyan yung drama, nandyan yung bigat, nandyan yung suffering, nandyan yung iyak. They need you. Kapag wala ka, lahat parang drama, lahat parang problem. Yeah, see? The Star. In reverse. They're feeling hopeless sa situation ninyo. Feeling hopeless. The Six of Pentacles, they need you. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They need you. Madalas mainit ang ulo ng taong to. Madalas. Strength. Mainit ang ulo nito madalas. Okay. So, ayaw niya nang wala ka, Capricorn. So, next. Aqua. Aquarius placements. Let's see. Let's check your person's emotion. Bawi ako next time. Sa reading. Hindi ko alam, nade-drain ako. Aqua, who's this person? And let's see their current emotion. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Kahit ganito yung aking boses at aking pakiramdam ngayon, diba? Oo, salamat. So, sino ba to? Strength, pwedeng Leo. Pwedeng may nag-pause, pwedeng may nag-stop sa inyo in general. So, some of you, there's this unfinished business. The Hermit, yeah, no contact. Hindi ka kinakausap nito ngayon. This is like pride, ego. Battle of pride and ego. Okay, yeah, Strength and Hermit. Virgo and Leo. The Five of Swords, yeah, you're playing mind games. You're playing mind games with your person, no? Okay, waiting game, mind games, mga ganyan. Let's see. Bigla na lang siyang nag-no contact or bigla na lang nawala ito. Pwedeng ayaw magpatalo. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Ano bang meron? Tingnan natin. Emotion niya sa'yo ngayon, Aqua. The Moon. Confused. Oo, waiting. Some of you, you're mirroring each other. They're mirroring you. Kung ikaw, Aqua, hindi ka nakikipag-usap sa kanya, mini-mirror ka niya. Pero yung pag-mirror na ginagawa niya is sa action lang, pero sa physical. I mean sa emosyon, doon nagkakaroon ng ng pagkakaiba. Kasi ikaw pwedeng yes, napaka-hustler mo diyan, parang wala na okay lang, go. Parang ganyan, hindi mo na iniisip to whatsoever. Pero sila, may effort. May paghihintay. Ako nakikita. Okay. They're confused. Kumusta na kaya siya? Yeah, see the Ace of Cups in reverse. The Six of Cups in reverse. Yeah, they're bitter. Ikaw ba? Bitter ka ba, Aqua? So, kung hindi ka bitter, siya yun. Yeah. Nandun yung takot, halo-halo na emosyon. Ngayong hindi kayo nagkakausap. Yes. Andun na rin yung pag-iisip ng taong to na kailangan ko na ba na mag-focus sa ibang mga energy? Nagsasayang lang ba ako ng oras dito? Yeah. Ganun yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo ngayon. Meron pa ba akong hinihintay dito? Parang ikaw napaka-nonchalant. Ano po yun? Yung parang wala, poker face. Parang, oo, pati yung emosyon. Oo, ganun. Bahala ka dyan. Wala akong pake. Tapos yung isa, ginagaya ka. Kunyari, walang pake, pero deep down, nandun yung, nangyari kay Aqua. Nasa na kaya? Hindi ko kaya to. I cannot. So there, yeah, you're mirroring each other. Mirroring maybe the physical or the actions. Pero the emotion, mahirap. Oo. Next, Pisces. Okay, let's see your person's emotion this week. Yeah. Anong meron? Sino ba ito, Pisces? Anong meron sa kanya? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ten of Wands. You release this person. Yeah, kasi burden na. You release them because nagbibigay lang sila ng pabigat sa'yo in general. Na-release mo na siya. So, anong emosyon niya ngayon? Let's see. The Star. Oh, they're healing. Yeah, the Four of Swords. They're healing. Naghi-heal siya. So, ito yung taong pwedeng inalisan mo or dinrap mo kasi nagpapabigat na rin naman sa situation mo kung ano man meron. Now, they're healing. Some of them, habang naghi-heal is iniisip ka pa rin. So, hindi sila makapag-focus. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. It's like, okay, kailangan ko lang bang gawin yung pag-heal or pag-move on? Kasi parang no choice na ako eh. Parang ganun. Pero iniisip ka nito. Miss opportunity for some of you. Marami silang napapagtanto. Maraming nare-realize itong taong to sa'yo ngayon. Yeah. Okay. So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and our second channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye.